You guys should stop clicking around your taskbar and switching your workspace like this, like this, like this. Instead of that, there is a pretty sweet keyboard shortcut that you guys can jump between your virtual desktop in Windows 11 instantly. The very basic shortcut key here is to press Windows. All right, just hold the Windows key and Control. Then you should press your arrow keys on right side of your keyboard. I'm just going to go left. You can see pretty much easy, more than hovering your mouse and like transitioning. This is the way that you guys should be doing. All right, now what if that you guys wanted to close your desktop, like this environment? It's pretty simple. You need to hold the Windows and Control, then F4, and it should close and bring instantly the application that you guys are opening on the current Windows. Let me close this one as well. And now we are officially in this one, the primary desktop. Still not. Let me close this one as well. Bring this VLC. This is how you guys can use this shortcut. All right, it's pretty much simple to do that. If this video helps you out, drop a like and subscribe if you don't want to miss next quick tip. Thanks so much for watching.